A to Z. A is for airplane. B is for bus. C is for car. D is for dump truck. E is for excavator. F is for fire truck. G is for garbage truck. H is for helicopter. I is for ice cream truck.
J is for Jeep.
K is for cart.
L is for limousine.
M is for motorcycle.
N is for newspaper bike. O is for off-road truck. P is for police car.
Q is for quad bike.
R is for race car. S is for scooter.
T is for train.
U is for unicycle. V is for van. W is for wagon. X is for X-ray truck.
Y is for yacht.
Z is for Zeppelin. Bye-bye, kids. Thanks for watching ABCGrok. Please subscribe, like, and share my video.